You can use this method to get the kids to eat fruits, especially fruits that they don't like. So you pick the fruits that they don't like, blend it into paste like a smoothie, then you add it onto a hot pan. Allow it to boil for a while. Once the water is almost dry, then you add 1 spoon of lemon juice and 2 spoons of honey. You are adding honey at this almost end part because honey is not supposed to be heated above some certain temperature. So once the paste is ready, just pour it on a parchment paper that is lying on a baking tray. Parchment paper is also known as a baking sheet. So just spread out the paste, then you transfer it into a dehydrator. Or if you don't have a dehydrator, you can use your oven. Just set it at 70 degrees centigrade. Dry it for like 3 to 4 hours. And after that, your fruit roll-ups are ready. Here, you can now cut it into stripes and roll them all up in a plate. Just keep them refrigerated. Whenever you need them, you remove one and you can make them have it. This is fun to eat. They won't even know they are taking fruits. And in the process, they are consuming the vital minerals that they need. It's fun though. Hope you try it.